Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Crazy Monday. It's Crazy Monday, and I got some things in the back of the truck, and I got to go over with Graydon. Alrighty. Come on. Is Graydon in here? Sounds like you got cold, buddy.
A little bit.
I was up in Newark, New Jersey, at the international airport. Ran across the guy, opened this up for me, sir, and he said he's going to ship me one of these. It arrived this morning. It's a stand where we're doing YouTube pieces and normal, everyday pieces, advertisement pieces, I should say. It's a stand where I can read off of and put it a little bit lower than me when you're doing waist up pieces. I think it's going to work well. We'll see if this guy's full of if this guy's for real. Graydon's the expert at putting things together. I'm an expert at leaving boxes all over the place.
Fancy.
Tray. That's your tray, baby. That's your tray, so you can turn this either way. So, Mr. Bo, how high can I have that without interfering when we're shooting commercials? What do you think? What do you think?
As high as you want, as long as it's not in the frame.
That's pretty darn intelligent there, fella.
Harvard.
Huh?
Harvard.
Harvard. I forgot. Well, we might have to come back to this. This could take a long time. So where you go to a concert this weekend and you yell all weekend or what?
No, I went back to Bridgewater.
Oh.
First tailgate of the season.
Oh, now we're getting the truth here. What happened this weekend? About a couple of beers were consumed too.
Maybe.
Just a few. Oh, that's a good screwdriver.
It is.
You don't have a screwdriver? I think you need a screwdriver. We'll come back to this in a minute once we get to the proper tools.
What themes do you want to do for the green screen today?
Oh, I have them in my bag. I don't remember. Why?
I'm just recording the content.
Oh, well, no, just because I did a bunch of them. So I didn't know you were recording this. I didn't know this is for prosperity because my brain is very busy at all times. Let's see what shenanigans are going on here today. Caitlin?
Yes.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You think about these cards? Because I didn't leave them Friday. When Chase and I left Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon.
I did not know about those.
I asked Drew about them this morning. Obviously, they're one of our cell numbers. Well, at first I thought Drew put them up here to send me a message.
Send you a message.
You know what I mean? Like he had to renew something, and then I wasn't sure.
No.
So Carolyn said this morning, "Hey, you see these cards here?" It was like 6:30 this morning. So anyway, did you take trash out on Saturday?
I did not.
Yeah, that's weird. Okay. All right.
Was it taken out?
Well, no. I thought maybe you had dropped it on the way out. But I walked right past you, or right over you, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Same path I meant on Saturday. So when Carolyn found them this morning...
Oh, they were outside?
Yeah, here at the back mat.
Yeah.
All right.
Mystery.
We got the mystery woman here. I think she's pretending she's talking on the phone to somebody, and she's just smiling away, because I don't think she wants to be on the camera today, so she's pretending she's on the phone talking to a client.
If you want to give us a call back at 410-721-2342, we can get that set up for you. Bye.
Did you text me about something, Mrs. Katie?
I don't think so.
Oh, here's another one. She just came in from out back. I want her to be happy regardless of what she has, but from us controlling her lawn sprinkler system.
Okay.
Been a client for years, and she trusts us to upgrade. But if she's having trouble with the upgrade because of the signal, we need to remedy that. So instead of going backwards, let's see if we can figure it out what's up with that. Yeah. Did you get all the rest of the paperwork on that?
August 28 sounds right.
Credit card number?
Yes.
I saw you had the amount on there. Okay. All right. We're going to get out back and see if Graydon is finished putting my stand together.
He's
What do you
standing
think?
right behind us.
It's done.
Close to my face. I'm on the back over here.
My
So
thought
she likes
is
to
to ask
back
you
slap me
girls
sometimes.
in
Well, I can do that.
You can do that?
Of course I can do that.
You can do that?
I can do that.
Well, if I wait
Do
for
that.
you, why don't I just call Hindsight and have them do it?
Did I show you where the dog got a hold of me this morning? Huh? Things I do for TLC. Dog got a hold of me, wouldn't let go. Got one tooth in me, and I said, "You better let go." He looked at me and let go. Huh? Got anything else you got to say? 'Cause we really don't care. We really don't care about your
Could you read
nonsense.
this top? This top? I don't want to put
I
any...
knew it. I knew I couldn't get out of the
I
office.
know.
Just the lady right over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care of her.
Okay.
Take care of her.
And we're going to do it on Friday?
Yep.
Alright.
So you might want to do that with Carl down in D.C., Katie. Okay, contact Carl, and we can. Don't look surprised. Don't look surprised. Don't look surprised. You know, if you were here 7 days a week with the rest of us, you would know that. But since you only work 4 days a week.
I actually only worked 3 days last week because of the holiday.
Down here at Horseshoe Point, and we're going to get this system up and running electronically this morning, meaning on the controller. I think we're waiting for a Wi-Fi to be installed, hooked up at this home, because this is a smart controller. Let's take a look, see what's going on this property. Mr. Graydon. Graydon, is that you in there? You down there sleeping?
Yeah.
Beautiful out here today.
Yeah, I know. Could take a nap if I want to.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rudy! Hey, Karina. How are you? Rudy, how you making out? What you got? You got a crab pot? Catch anything?
No, nothing.
This is part of the bonding wire here. That's why you got this has got to be left. That's the bonding wire.
Yeah.
Okay. Can't mess with that field. It really turned out nice, didn't it?
Yeah.
Did the Wi-Fi signal ever get fixed?
No Wi-Fi yet, but we already program offline.
Offline?
I program the first start time. I don't know if that's fine or change. We gotta put it start time at 12 in the morning.
Okay, midnight.
Midnight.
Okay.
And the second start time, 5 p.m. in the afternoon.
5 p.m. So you're gonna run in the evening?
Yeah.
Well, you could run in the evening now since it's late summer. You won't have a fungus. My question is, do we need it though? And how many zones you got running?
It's 24.
All 24 up and running? How many minutes?
For 25 minutes.
25 a zone?
Yeah, 25 zone.
So you run it for over 12 hours?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Jim's got his flag up, so we need to get 3 well lights up on that.
3 well lights?
Yeah. Remember, we had the old line voltage lights here, so not using them no more. So we could take those posts out. Okay.
You gotta put it in I think so, in the same place, right?
Yeah. Well, I would go out a little bit further. So right now we have it right here and right over here, right? So I'd make these a little bit wider and then set another one in here. So we'll have 1, 2, 3 illuminated. Hey buddy, what's going on? How are you? Green means go, baby, go, go, go. Green means go, 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 go. But remember, if a flag's up after dark, it's got to be illuminated.
Sundown to sunup.
Sun up to sundown. Sundown to sun up?
Yeah.
What did I say?
You said run it during the day, not during the night.
Holy cow. Holy cow.
Kind of defeats the purpose.
Yeah, kinda. You think?
A little bit.
Well, that's what happens when you work around the clock when you're a contractor. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Then I have to work with this guy over here. This guy over here. Yeah. What else we got? We got this taken care of. Make this hot. Make this up and running tonight. Okay? Leave Jim's lights where they are, but let's get ours up and running. Yeah. Try to get some work out of you, Dave, so you're not out there playing with the crab pots all day. We got work to do. Yeah. We got work to do. This is a GoPro 18 Pro.
GoPro for the big boss.
For the big boss.
Right now here.
So what's Karina doing up here in Jersey? Oh my, are they planting trees? Well, why don't we do this? Start up where Karina in Jersey for a 90 in the corner. Then come down here for a side strip and triangulate it. Boom, 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 and then up here in the corner and keep going like that. Where's that bed going to end? Right about there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, that way we have coverage both ways. Right, Jersey? Another one here. Got a 270 here on the corner, 180 here. Hey, Poppy, how you doing, bud? I haven't seen you in a while. You doing okay?
Yes.
You staying out of trouble?
You swimming?
No, he's going swimming? Okay. I got my swim trunks in my truck. Can we go swimming this afternoon?
Yes, good.
All right, Rudy.
Yeah.
I'm going to another project. You guys good?
Yes.
All right. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and we'll talk to you on the next episode.